ഇതല്ല ഗവൺമെന്റിന്റെ.
ഇത് നമ്മള് ലെസോത്തോയിലൊരു ഇവിടെ പോയില്ലേ ആൾക്കാരുടെ അടുത്ത് കോമ കേവ്സ്, അതിന്റെ ഒരു മോഡലാണ്.
ഇത് ഡീപ്പായിട്ട് ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങി പോകുന്ന കേവ്സ് ആണ്.
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിന്ന് ഇപ്പം ഹോട്ടലിൽ നിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങി നമ്മൾ ബോബിച്ചേട്ടൻ്റെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് പോവാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടുന്ന് ബോബിച്ചേട്ടനെ കൂട്ടി വേണം നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് കറങ്ങാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അവിടെ സ്ഥലത്തിന് എവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ?
പുമലങ്കയുടെ മെയിൻ അട്രാക്ഷനായ 3 റൗണ്ട് വാൾസും പിന്നെ എക്കോ കേവ്സ്, പിന്നെ പോത്തോൾസ്
അങ്ങനെ അടിപൊളി വ്യൂ ആണ് ഇന്ന് കാണാൻ പോകുന്നത്.
ഓൺ ദ വേ. പക്ഷേ പ്ലാനിൽ ചെറിയ ചെറിയ മാറ്റങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ചെറിയ മഴ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്, അപ്പോൾ അതിനനുസരിച്ച് ചെറിയ മാറ്റങ്ങളുണ്ടാവും. പക്ഷേ എല്ലാം ഇതിനകത്ത് ഇവിടുത്തെ ഏറ്റവും അടിപൊളി സ്ഥലങ്ങളായിരിക്കും പോവാം. അപ്പോൾ ചേട്ടൻ വിളിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിന്ന് ഇപ്പം ബോബിച്ചേട്ടനോടെ പോവുകയാണ്. 3 റൗണ്ട് ട്രാവൽസിലേക്കാണ് പോകുന്നത്. പുമലാങ്കയിലെ നല്ല സൈറ്റ് സീനുള്ള സ്ഥലമാണ്. ബോബിച്ചേട്ടനും പിള്ളേരും ഉണ്ട് പുറകിൽ, ശ്രീത്ത് ഉണ്ട്. ഞങ്ങളതൊക്കെ അങ്ങോട്ട് പോവാണ്. ഓക്കെ. മഴയാണോ?
മഴ പെയ്തായിരുന്നോ?
അല്ലേ? അവിടെ ഒരു സ്ലിപ്പറി കാണും. മൈലേജ് ക്രൂഗറിൽ മാത്രമേ 14 പോയിന്റ് ഇത്രയും കിട്ടി. സംതിങ് ക്രൂഗർ നാഷണൽ പാർക്കിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ വന്ന രാവിലെ ഇന്നലെ വന്നത് 12:15 അല്ലേ? 12:15. കണ്ടല്ലേ? എന്തായിരുന്നു? വൈൽഡ് ഡോഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഹൈനയോ?
ഒത്തിരി കളറുള്ളത്.
ഞങ്ങൾ ക്രിക്കറി പോയപ്പോ ഹൈനേനെ കണ്ടു. അത് റെയർ ആയിട്ട് കാണുന്നല്ലേ അതിന്? അത് ഞങ്ങള് കറക്റ്റ് ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് ഒരെണ്ണം ഇങ്ങനെ കൂളായിട്ട് വന്നു. അതിനൊരു പേടിയില്ല. ഞങ്ങൾ വണ്ടി സൈഡിൽ നിർത്തി. ആ വീഡിയോയിലുണ്ട്, കണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഷിപ്പായത് ഓരോ ഏരിയയിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ലൈറ്റ് പെട്ടെന്ന് മാറി മഴയും നല്ല ഫോഗുമായിട്ടുണ്ട്.
മഴയും ഭയങ്കര ഫോഗാണ്. വിസിബിലിറ്റി കുറവാണ്. ട്രക്ക് വഴിയാണ്. പണിക്കാരുണ്ട്. ഒത്തിരി പണിക്കാരുണ്ട്.
ഇന്നലെ പണിക്കാർ കുറവായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പൊ മഴ വരും. ഇന്നലെ ഇല്ലായിരുന്നല്ലോ ഇങ്ങനെ?
ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
ഈ നെറ്റ് കവർ ചെയ്ത് കാണുന്ന എല്ലാം ഓറഞ്ച് തോട്ടങ്ങളാണ്.
അത്യാവശ്യം സെറ്റാണ്.
അല്ല, ഈ കൃഷിയുടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് കൃഷിയും ചുറ്റും മലയാണ്. നമുക്ക് ഈ വ്യൂ കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്നപ്പോഴേ. മാറി അടുത്ത ക്ലൈമറ്റ് വന്നു. നല്ല നീല കളറുള്ള ആകാശവും മേഘങ്ങളും നമുക്ക് കാണാം. അടിപൊളി വ്യൂ ആണ്. ആകാശമാണ് ഇടിഞ്ഞ് നിലത്തോട്ട് വീണ്. സ്പീഡിൽ പോകണം, അല്ലേ ഭയങ്കര കുലുക്കായിരിക്കും. സ്പീഡിൽ പോയാലേ കാര്യം. സ്പീഡിൽ പോയാൽ കുലുക്കം അറിയത്തില്ല.
ഗവൺമെന്റിന്റെ
ഇത് നമ്മള് ലെസോത്തോയിലൊരു ഇവിടെ പോയില്ലേ ആൾക്കാരുടെ അടുത്ത് കോമ കേവ്സ്, അതിന്റെ ഒരു മോഡലാണ്.
ഇത് ഡീപ്പായിട്ട് ഉള്ളിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങി പോകുന്ന കേസ്. ഇതെല്ലാം ഒത്തിരി കോമയെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ കണ്ടില്ലേ അതുപോലെ ഒരു ഷെൽട്ടറാണ്, കുറച്ചുകൂടെ വൈഡായിട്ടുള്ള.
ഓരോ ട്രൈബൽസ് ഫുള്ള് താമസിക്കുന്ന ഇതിനകത്താണോ? അങ്ങനെയാണോ വെച്ചിട്ട്? ഓരോ ട്രൈബൽസ് ഇതിനകത്ത് ഫുള്ള് താമസിക്കുന്ന
പണ്ട് താമസിച്ചിരുന്നു. സ്വാസി താമസിച്ചിരുന്ന സുഡ്വാല കേവ്സിലും ഇത് അവരെന്തോ പറഞ്ഞു മൊബൈല് സംതിങ് ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. വേറൊരു ക്ലാനാണ്, വേറൊരു ഗ്രൂപ്പായിരുന്നു. ഇവർ തമ്മിൽ ഇടയ്ക്ക് യുദ്ധം ഉണ്ടാകുകയും ഇവർ ഹൈഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടപ്പം കേവ്സിനകത്ത് ഹൈഡ് ചെയ്യുകയും അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയായിരുന്നു. അത് ആ ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് ആയിട്ട് ഗൈഡ് പറയുക.
നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ എക്കോ കേവ് ലക്ഷ്യമാക്കിയാണ് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ ഡയറക്ഷൻ എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്? കറക്റ്റ് അല്ലേ? മറ്റേ എക്കോ കേവ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ചെല്ലണം.
വിട്ടു ലിംപോപ്പോയിൽ കയറി തിരിച്ചു മ്പുമലാങ്കയിലേക്ക് കയറും.
എന്തായാലും വഴി തെറ്റിയത്
എക്കോ കേവ് കയറാൻ പറ്റി. നമ്മള് കാണത്തില്ല.
അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എക്കോ കേവില് വരില്ല. ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടുന്ന് വീട്ടിൽ പോകാൻ എളുപ്പം.
ഈ റൂട്ടിലെ ലാസ്റ്റ്
വലിയ മലയുടെ അടിയിലാണ് കേട്ടോ.
പ്രൈവറ്റ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി അല്ലേ?
അത് കയറ്റാവോ? എക്കോ കേവിലേക്ക് പ്രവേശിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ എൻട്രൻസ് ആണ്.
മലയുടെ അടിയിൽ കാട്ടിനകത്ത് റിസോർട്ട് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്തേക്കാണ്.
തണുപ്പ് നല്ലൊരു കാലാവസ്ഥ. പാർക്കിംഗ് ഒന്നും കാണുന്നില്ല ഇവിടെ. നിങ്ങളെവിടെയൊന്നും വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്?
ഞങ്ങൾ പുറത്തായിട്ട്.
ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ കുറേ നേരത്തെ ഡ്രൈവിന് ശേഷം നമ്മളിപ്പം എക്കോ കേവിൽ എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എക്കോ കേവിൻ്റെ റിസപ്ഷനാണിത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അകത്ത് കയറി കേവ്സിനകത്ത് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് കാഴ്ചകളെന്ന് കാണാം. നമ്മൾ കേവ്സിനകത്തേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങുകയാണ്.
because snakes are cold blood. They cannot survive.
Okay.
They are bats, horseshoe bats. They are very tiny and they only eat insects. So the cave, it was underground the river in many years ago. It formed by water erosion. And it contains two stones, is limestone, the white one, and dolomite one.
Okay.
So limestone is formed through calcium carbonate. And dolomite rock, it contains two compounds, which is magnesium carbonate and manganese oxide. This cave in the 1800s, 1862, it was served as a hiding place. There was a tribal war between Barbedi and the Swazis. So Barbedi are the one who were hidden away from Swazi tribe. Swazis, they didn't know about this cave. And the war took place in Moholo. Moholo is the name of the mountain in which spread. And there was a chief there who decided to help the Barbedi tribe to defeat Swazis. The name of that chief, it was Maripe Mashile. Barbedi, they climbed the Moholo mountain and they were very fortunate because they were all covered by mist. And when they looked the view down, the enemies, they were clear. They pushed large stone rolling down with a big sound, holo holo, hence Moholo. And also the three roundabouts are named after the three wives of that chief. It's a Maseroko, Maharalipo, and Maharalipo. Difficult names. So the easy way to remember the names, they are all starting with the letter M. And there's also mountain there in Mpumalanga, it's called Scope. It was named after the chief because they won by the Barbedi. The guy who discovered the cave, it was a cattle header. He was working under Jan Klassen. Jan Klassen, he was the farmer. So the name of that cattle header, it was Derek Majeke. He rediscovered this cave in 1923 and they opened it for public in 1959. That guy, he sold that hole. It's the original entrance of this cave. And it was only one way in and one way out for Barbedi. And they were using tree roots as the rope. And it was dark during that period. Barbedi, they were using a plant, we are calling it baboon tail. In Sipedi is tute. They were putting that plant animal fed and it absorbed. When they light it, it brings a big flame with a less smoke. And there's another plant in the reception if you want to sit after the top.
Sorry, this Barbedi tribe belongs to which place?
Limpopo.
Limpopo. This is Limpopo.
Yes.
So, what about Rondavas? Is it in Mpumalanga or Limpopo?
In Mpumalanga.
Okay, but Echo Caves is in Limpopo.
Yes.
Okay.
So, and the cave, it's divided into three chambers. It's crocodile, elephant, and sensor. So this is our first chamber, elephant. It's because of the rock formation. Looks like an African elephant. Two big ears, and then trunk. And if someone screams, it echoes a little bit.
Yeah.
Not everywhere in the caves. The name Echo, it was named after two stalactites. They are hollow, empty inside. And they named the two stalactites Sibogugu. Sibogugu is to come together. And it was also the alarm system for Barbedi if they attack. Because Trancom wasn't there. So I'll pretty sure it will be better.
Okay.
So, by the time the Swazis were, which side of Mpumalanga?
In Mpumalanga,
Suduala.
they are towards the
Who was inhabiting Suduala Caves?
Yes.
Swazis were using Suduala Caves.
Yes.
Okay.
Swazis and Zulus, they were fighting there in Sudan.
Okay.
Yes.
And who won?
Then,
Mm.
Swazis.
They won the Zulus.
Yes, they want to Zulus. Okay. So, Stalagmite forms by the droppings of water through stalactite with calcium.
Okay.
Eventually, when they meet, they're going to form a pillar column. Like that.
Yes. Okay.
It took many years to form that pillar, it's not in our lifetime. And we don't allow anyone to touch it because once it touches, they're going to disturb the process of growing because answers acids. So, and if you look up there, there's a green star on that rock. It's algae. It's growing because of the light, it's photosynthesis, and it's because of the moisture inside.
Okay.
After the tour, we always switch off the lights for this algae not to grow big and to save power.
You mean these lights?
Yeah, all the lights.
Okay.
And there are stalactites which are broken there. If you look there. Some of them were broken off by their baby. They were using these stalactites as their spears, weapon, because they are solid and very sharp. And before COVID-19, people they were allowed to come in without the guide. It was optional.
Okay.
So there are stalactites which were broken, they caused damage. They were thinking it's crystal because there's a limestone which shines like a crystal, but it's quartz, hard rock. So there's water inside the bucket. So this water people used to collect is for free because some of them they believe it's holy water. And they used to drink the water because they are good for teeth and bones, calcium. And but it's not safe to drink with this metal thing because of the COVID. They seep slowly through the layers and the simples of the
It's not a rainwater.
It's
a natural. Okay, not a rainwater coming now.
It's natural. Yeah.
So regardless of the climate, the weather, it's always there
Yeah, it's always
around the year.
around the world.
Okay.
Okay. This way. It's not that slippery.
കേവിൻ്റെ അകത്തൂടെ പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. പോയിച്ചേട്ടന് സ്ട്രീറ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ടിൽ പോകുന്നിട്ട് മൊത്തം ചെടിയാണ് വഴിയിലില്ല വെള്ളം.
This whole place, it was used as a kitchen.
Kitchen.
Yes.
Okay.
Before they rediscovered the cave, it wasn't like this. It was too narrow.
Okay.
They found clay pots and grinding stones. The original clay pots, they were broken. They are in the reception and museum of men. But really, they chose this place because of that hole. It was a chimney for the smoke to go out.
Oh, okay. There's an opening still.
Oh, it's a chimney.
Yeah, it's a chimney. So, but now on top of the mountain, that hole is blocked.
Oh, okay.
For water not coming inside. It's
Okay.
ready.
Okay.
And if you look, the roof is dark. It's because of the smoke.
Smoke. Oh, it's a dark.
Yes.
Just show me the light. Okay. Oh, it's a. Oh, the fumes are all gone there.
Yes.
Okay.
You said it was found by whom?
Derek Machete, he was working under young Klassen. Young Klassen, he was the farmer.
He was a white man.
Yes.
So still the property belongs to
Klassen family.
Watson family.
Yes. So if you look down here, they are beds. They used to hang upside down. So this black is guano.
The droppings.
Yeah, the tropics is called guano. It's used as manure. For manure. And like there's a section, but we are going to skip that section because there are a lot of bats.
Oh, bats,
upside down. And there's a guano, so it's toxic.
Okay.
So for lungs, it's not
Good.
So we are still going to clean up the mess. And that section, when it's open, we used to crawl. It's optional. And the temperature is very warm. People who have asthma and those who are claustrophobic, we don't allow them to go there.
Okay.
Like, is it high?
It's crawl.
It's going deeper.
Deeper?
Yeah, so and there's a place where we crawl.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, why is it warm there?
There are no ventilators.
There's no ventilation, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It's very warm. And it's very moist in that section. This, humid. It's very humid. You go down, around your head,
ഓ ഇത് ഇച്ചിരി കുഴിഞ്ഞു പോകണല്ലേ.
This one, it looks like a two front teeth.
Yes.
But they are not real. This is just a formation. And this is hard rock, it's quartz. Quartz, yeah, hard rock. And if you look underneath, it looks like some are broken.
Yeah.
Okay. It's another unexplored section.
It's a puzzle.
Yes. And if you look up, there are stalactites which are still forming.
തല നിൽക്കണം.
ആ
This is crocodile chamber. Because of the rock formation, it looks like a baby crocodile.
ഓക്കെ.
And if you look at the stalactites, it looks like the crocodile teeth because they are sharp, some of them. And there are stalactites which are still fresh broken. It's because of those people who are allowed to come in without the guides.
Oh, they're trying to take a piece.
Yes. There's another formation. This one. This is halagmite, flowing stone. The water is sipping slowly through the layers of dolomite rock, going down slowly. It looks like the beehive.
Okay.
A beehive. And there's another one, the beehive.
Okay.
And there are also pillars there on the wall. Looks like the church organ pipes. There's a stalagmite. This one is no longer forming because there's no water dripping. But this one it looks like the rhino horn.
Yeah.
There's another rock formation. You can also see clearly from here. If you look up, it's a big formation which here. It looks like underneath of ostrich body.
Yeah.
The two legs,
Yes.
the tail, the feathers, and the body. The male ostrich, because it's black and white. Female ostrich has only one color, it's gray.
Yes.
So this is the male, black and white. Okay.
Oh,
So it's a
ostrich.
combination
This is
of-
look like a ostrich. Yeah.
Yes.
It's a combination of both stones, stalactite as well as dolomite.
Yes.
The black one is dolomite.
Yes, the black one is dolomite.
Okay.
Yes. The white one is limestone, calcium. Mind your hands.
കയറി പോണ ഇച്ചിരി പാടാ തടിയുള്ളവർക്ക്.
Another one.
അടിയും വയറും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ
Looks like the little buffalo.
Yes.
ഓക്കെ.
Okay.
That formation there looks like the head of buffalo, the eye and the nose. There. And they are so smooth, it's because of hands. People are
touching
and
the- okay.
squeezing.
ഓക്കെ.
Okay, sideways. Okay.
ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടിയാണ് നമ്മളൊക്കെ വരേണ്ടത് ഇതിനകത്തൂടെ.
Okay, so this stalactite was broken, so they drew it back, and there's a screw to hold it.
ഓക്കെ. ഓ ഇറ്റ്സ് ബ്രോക്കൺ ഓൾറെഡി. ഓക്കെ, ഐ ക്യാൻ സീ.
So this one it looks like at the head of snake.
സ്നേക്ക്.
Yes. Snake.
Yes. And there's another rock formation. This one here, it looks like at the baboon face.
ഓക്കെ.
The two eyes,
ഓക്കെ.
the long nose, and the mouth. And it shines like a crystal here. So
Okay.
it's quartz, hard rock.
ഓക്കെ.
And there's a pillar.
Okay.
So for stalactites to be hollow inside, it's because of the sinkholes of dolomite rock. So this one, it looks like a giraffe leg with the hoof. Okay. This way, be careful, it's a big dam. And so if someone screams, it echoes a little bit, not everywhere in the caves. The name Echo, it was named after these two stalactites. They are hollow inside. and they named the two stalactites Sibokubo. The sound, it travels through the sinkholes of dolomite rock and magnify. That's why it resonates the whole cave.
Okay.
The tool that Barbedi they were using, it was found here. It was a wooden stick. So we also put ours here.
Oh, okay.
So this one you are using now, it's a metal and the rubber. We put this rubber not to damage.
Yes.
And long time ago, there was a radio station that was called Radio Lobua. Now it's Tobel FM. The sound it was recorded here, and we used to playing it every day, singing Sibo Kubo Kubo. Is to Ghana.
Okay.
Hello.
It's another type of dolomite rock. It's conglomerate, this one. It's more hard. You can feel it. It's magnesium. It's manganese, I mean.
Oh, okay.
And
Manganese.
it's a quartz.
Oh, okay.
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 So,
അടുത്ത പോയിച്ചോടാ അടുത്ത
ഞാനിത് കുറെ തവണയായി കാണുന്നു.
ശരിയാ.
this whole place, it was used as the graveyard.
ഓക്കെ.
They found human bones and they were all covered with animal skin to avoid the bad smell.
Okay.
And they were not digging the bones, they were just lying around.
Oh, just bones were there. Okay.
Yes. And now the bones, they are in the reception and museum of
Oh,
Limpopo.
okay.
Nothing left.
Nothing
behind.
here. Okay.
Yes.
They were never buried. Cow skin or
Cow skin, yeah, to avoid the bad smell. And even nowadays, the vendor, they also do the same when they bury someone.
when they're in
Okay.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Limpopo,
Limpopo.
far north of
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's the chief, yeah, it's covered with animal skin.
Oh, okay. നല്ല ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടിയാണ് ചേട്ടാ.
Careful.
ഒരു ഓർമ്മ.
ഇത് ഏറ്റവും ലോസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളതാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ?
Mind your head behind you.
ഓക്കെ.
There are sinkholes around here, but not everywhere.
ഓ.
Solid here.
ഓക്കെ.
And the hieroglyphics. So it's dolorite and dolomite. If you look the texture, they are not the same.
ഓക്കെ.
What's the difference? Dolomite and dolomite.
So this one is more manganese, this one.
Yeah.
This one is magnesium carbonate.
Magnesium carbonate.
Yes.
It's black in color as well.
Yes. This one.
This one is manganese.
Yes, manganese.
So it's like the Egyptian hieroglyphs.
Yes, the hieroglyphics. Okay. This way. And the strong man in the vela in the Bible. It was named after the two broken pillars. And notice is the one who pushed the pillars. A long time ago there was a movement, so that's why they are separated. And this whole section, it was used as the bedroom.
ബെഡ്റൂം. ആ ഓക്കെ. ദിസ് ഇസ് എ ബെഡ്റൂം.
Yes. There was grass
Okay, the
mats,
bedroom.
wooden pillows, and animal skin to cover their body as blankets.
ബ്ലാങ്കറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ.
The grinding stone is from the kitchen. They brought it here because there's open space. It's
Okay.
not the original.
ദിസ് വൺ.
Mostly it's used to grind meat into
Oh, grinder.
something.
It's the grinder. Oh, it's like a light. Oh, the light is going through.
Yes, going through.
It's not like a diamond or something. It's not a diamond.
Can you show from this side?
From this side.
A bit from front. Is it a stalactite?
Yeah, stalactite is hanging tight. Stalagmite start from the bottom going up.
Yeah.
Eventually,
Okay.
when they meet, they're going to form a pillar. There's a pillar back there. That one.
Yeah. But this thing is from, what is this? Is it dolomite?
Yeah, the top one is dolomite. And the water was seeping slowly through the layer with calcium. So it's limestone.
So it deposits the calcium there, then falls as a water drop.
Yes.
And the rest of the calcium starts to grow up as a stalagmite.
Stalagmite.
Yeah.
Yes. Mite tight.
All right.
Yes. So this one groups also looks like a rhino horn, the big one. So we are going to exercise because there are a lot of steps which are
Okay,
going
it's fine.
up.
Yeah, we need to
Exit.
exercise.
94 steps.
Okay. ജോയ്ക്ക് മാത്രമേ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് പോകാനുള്ള വഴി ചെയ്ത് കേട്ടോ. ജോയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത് അല്ലേ ജോ?
These steps made by person family.
Yes, mainly. And also the exit is longer.
So the one space hole that you shown different.
Yes.
It is that. So it was only entrance in that when you found it.
Yes. Only entrance. So the other section
താഴ്ന്ന സ്റ്റെപ്പ്
below,
കയറി
it
Hello.
was found later, that one, 1981, by Young Klassen.
Which one?
The entrance one,
Okay.
for Long Road, it was found later, 1981.
ഓക്കെ.
So long road is not this one.
No. The entrance start around the parking lot.
Oh.
That is only exit, same exit here.
ഓക്കെ. ബട്ട് where is coming from?
Pardon?
Same like this.
Yeah, same like this. So the cave is divided into two sections, Madonna Cave and Echo Caves.
Okay.
Yes.
Madonna Cave is the long route.
It's long road. So, but the Madonna's section, it doesn't have history because it was found in 1981. There's a statue that looks like Madonna, the Virgin Mary. And there are also tree roots, wild fig. They penetrate through the cracks of dolomite rock and they are still going deeper, searching for
Wild fig.
wild
The
fig.
tree roots.
Yes. 120 meters.
And what about the oxygen level and this? Everything's fine.
Everything is fine. It's like the Echo Cave section.
Okay.
And that Madonna section, it was flooded.
Oh, okay.
2014.
Oh, it was flood came there.
Yeah, like through the entrance.
Entrance.
That's where the water came
Oh,
from.
okay.
And it was closed for 6 months because there was no pumping machine to drain water out.
Okay.
So the water just sink on the ground.
Oh, okay.
And if it rains a lot, we don't allow anyone to go in that section.
Oh.
It was found in 1981.
Yes.
And this one was found in
Rediscovered 1923.
rediscovered.
Because back in the days, it was used as a hiding place in the 1800s.
Only hiding place for some period of time.
Yes.
They never wanted to
അപ്പോൾ
be
എക്കോക്കേവിൻ്റെ
here
അകത്താണുള്ളത്.
permanently.
No, they were
ഗൈഡ്
not
നമുക്ക്
permanent
കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം
inside.
പറഞ്ഞു തരുന്നുണ്ട്.
Sometimes they go out and
കാര്യം
come back.
അടുത്തു സ്റ്റെപ്പ് കയറി.
And the number of them, of those people who are hiding, Papedi, is estimation more or less 100 of them. And it's
100.
because, yes, and it's because of the war. It was not for whole nation. It was only for small tribe fighting for a piece of land.
Okay.
Yes.
So they were defending this area.
Yes, this area around Limpopo. Yes.
That tribe is still there.
I'm
Papedi.
also Pedi.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes, those
Okay.
who were hiding, my ancestors.
Oh,
Oh,
really?
okay.
That's great. Okay.
So I'm the Pedi. We're speaking Sepedi.
Sepedi.
Separating.
So altogether, how many of you are here now? I mean, around.
Around like in Limpopo.
Huh.
It's a big tribe.
It's a big tribe.
Yeah, it's a big tribe. So like in Sepedi there are different kind of Pedi people. Some like they speaking deep Pedi, some like a normal Pedi. Yes, we are different.
Like Setswana, Northern Setswana.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, like that.
So it was only warriors here. There were no ladies or children.
No, like ladies, children, old people, they were hiding here.
Oh, okay.
Soldiers, the
They-
warriors, they
they
went
out.
to
Oh,
Moholo
okay.
Holo. And the chief, Maripi, he came with his soldiers to help Wapedi to defeat Swazis.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yes, in the Moholo Holo.
Okay.
Yes.
Where exactly that mountain is, Moholoholo?
When you wood spread,
Woodsprit.
yeah, when you drive, there's a tunnel that you're going to pass. It's JG Street on tunnel, but there's a mountain. It's called the Moholo Holo.
That's where they were rolling these stones down.
The stones,
Oh, okay.
Holo, hence.
Why did Swazis came all this way here?
So like
They were from Swaziland,
they were
isn't it?
from Swaziland and they just
Mpumalanga as well.
From Mpumalanga, yes. People, the Swazis from Mpumalanga, Sudwala, like they are from originally from Swaziland.
So they wanted to invert this northern area also.
Yes,
Oh, all right.
yes. And the name, the name of Sudwala Cave is the name of a person who betrayed the Swazis.
Oh,
Yes.
was he a Swazi as well?
He was a Swazi, but he betrayed Swazis.
To whom?
He betrayed Swazis to Zulus.
Zulus.
Yeah.
Even Zulus came all the way to Mpumalanga
Yes.
from KZN.
From KZN to, they wanted to win the land. Yeah.
Swaziland, Mpumalanga.
Mpumalanga.
Okay.
So like the history is the same as this one from Mpumalanga.
Oh, Swazis were fighting you this side while Zulus were fighting them that side.
That's
Okay.
right, yes.
So what is that wheel doing?
Okay, that way leads to Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace, where there are bats. So that's why we always switch off the lights.
Oh, the bats are there.
Yeah.
Okay. So no other like snakes, nothing in here.
No. There are small spiders. Only.
Spiders. Oh, okay. Not dangerous ones.
Not dangerous
Okay.
one. And it's very warm.
Very warm. Oh, okay.
And that tunnel, that section, there's also tunnel, but it's not yet open for public.
Oh, okay.
The cave is still continuing to JG Street on tunnel. The waterfall.
Oh, okay.
His estimation is 40 kilometers.
40 kilometers. Oh, that's closed.
Yeah.
Oh,
40
okay.
kilometers from here.
Starting from that section until JG Street. Somewhere.
Sure.
And it's too risky to go through without equipment. It's only for professionals that one.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
40
It's
kilometers.
not yet open for public. Maybe next time, yes.
Oh.
And it opens where?
Until the waterfall, the JG Street on tunnel.
How did the
When you
waterfall
drive
do?
to
Oh,
Woodspring.
the other route, Palabo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, but can we go to the Crystal Palace?
So there are bats, droppings.
No, it's fine.
These bats, do they fly out
Only, yeah, they use the same exit.
during night?
Yes, and they also do go to that unexplored
Okay,
tunnel.
but that will not dangerous if you went. They will not attack or nothing. No, no.
They just fly around,
Oh, okay. Not
not
biting,
attack.
nothing like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, but for guano, for lungs, they're
Oh,
not
Oh,
good. Yeah,
yeah.
there's a bad smell.
What can be the maximum size of a bat when they fly? I mean,
it's a
the
big one or
wingspan.
that small one?
The smaller one, horseshoe
Smaller one. Oh,
bats.
Horseshoe bat.
Yeah, horseshoe bat.
Cherry,
Outside we have fruit bats. They are big.
the big
in
one.
size,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So the horseshoe, they are very tiny. It looks like a mouse.
And inside it's very cold.
It's very cold for snakes.
So there are no rats, nothing here.
Nothing.
Only bats and spiders.
Yes, only bats and spiders. And this section, after the tour, we always switch off the lights. So there are other animals which they used to come,
Mm.
porcupine
Mm.
and owls. So sometimes we found black and white spikes
Mm.
and the footprints.
Sun
Oh,
spikes and oh, Mulamani, okay.
Oh, they are still here.
Yeah, through the dark holes
Oh, it's
where
going
there
inside.
are no lights.
But they don't have anything here to eat. How can they survive?
No, inside, no. I think they only come at night, maybe just to sleep or.
For delivery or something like that.
Yes,
So,
yeah.
During daylight they go out.
They go out, yes.
Actually, I
The
want to
clay
ask about
pots
that clay pot. Yeah.
are new.
Oh, it's a new one.
Yeah. So the original clay pots, they are actually named to museum.
Oh, okay.
So originally I used to put maheu
Okay.
or African beer on komboti. Already they were using clay pots to put food and water inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's an old fridge
Okay,
Once they
it was
put
the same
water-
size of this one.
No, they are very
The small one. Okay.
So, and once you put water, they are going to be cool. These are the layers of dolomite.
Okay.
Upside down steps.
Yeah.
Okay, so now.
And this area there is like a kitchen. Oh.
Now, like the area there, we used to thought it's school kids there.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
It's
it's like a
man-made.
stage, a platform.
Oh,
Yes.
platform, okay.
It's man-made.
Okay.
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 This is exit. Mind your head.
Can you?
ഒക്കെ ഇന്ന് പുറത്തേക്കുള്ള എക്സിറ്റ് വഴി ഇറങ്ങുകയാണ്. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ എക്കൊക്കേവിൻ്റെ പുറത്ത് എത്തിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അങ്ങനെ എക്കൊക്കേവിൻ്റെ പുറത്ത് എത്തി. അടിപൊളി വ്യൂ ആണല്ലോ ഇവിടെ കയറി വരുമ്പോൾ.
Did you guys enjoy?
Yeah, it was nice. Thank you very much.
What do you call it? JG?
JG.
Ah,
Freedom Channel.
Freedom Tunnel.
Yes, Freedom Channel.
There is an opening there.
Yeah, there's an opening and it's a waterfall.
Waterfalls in
Through that
between.
opening.
Yes, through that opening.
Oh, okay.
Is it somewhere near to the tunnel?
Yeah, so like it's a channel on the left side when you drive to Spray. Yeah, there's a water. So and
എക്കൊക്കേവിൻ്റെ പുറത്തുള്ള
maybe you are still going another
സീനറിയാണ് ഈ കാണുന്നത്.
After passing the tunnel, you can just park
Take
on
off.
the left and
Is there a
view.
board or something there?
yeah, there's a bed. It's a view, a nice view.
40 kilometers.
എക്കൊക്കേവിൽ നിന്ന് കയറി വരുന്ന വഴിയാണിത്, എക്സിറ്റ് ആണിത്.
Stairs look like the same material of the cave.
The stairs.
Yeah.
I like dolomite rock, like it has layers, so that's why it looks like those stairs. Naturally, it has layers.
Oh, you
and
mean
think
the one we saw on the roof?
This was
Because a light.
okay. What is inside? It's also, but where they are putting the fat?
So, but this one is just that it's finished.
Oh, the finished
it
one.
has a
Oh,
bigger
okay.
tuft.
The bigger part. Yeah. So here are the bones, human bones and animal bones.
Oh, okay.
So can you quickly explain all this?
These are human bones.
Yeah,
You
human bones are there.
The thigh bone,
Yeah, femoral.
femur. And the animal bones. What animal is this?
Animal.
What
This
kind
one
of?
also think it's a.
Let me see the front teeth.
ചേട്ടന് ടീത്താണ് കണ്ടത്.
This one I'm not sure.
He's a dental doctor, so you want to see the teeth.
Oh, it's a dental.
Yeah, he's a,
No, this one is a baboon.
Baboon.
Oh, the front is that side.
Yeah, the front is that side.
So what is this thing in the middle?
It's also a bone. Original flavor.
Oh, they were using it.
Oh,
They were
that's
here
all.
by the year 1860.
1862.
മൃഗങ്ങളുടെയും മനുഷ്യരുടെയും ഫോസിലുകളാണ് ഇതിന്
For how long?
ആണ് കാണുന്നത്.
This buffalo
ബോണുകളും
here.
Inside.
യൂസ് ചെയ്ത പോട്ട്.
Just 2 weeks.
ഇതാണ് അവർ കത്തിക്കാൻ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിരുന്ന ബബൂൺ ടൈൽ
1862.
എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സാധനം. മരത്തിൻ്റെ
They're not permanent.
ഇതാണ്, അതിനകത്താണ് മൃഗങ്ങളുടെ കൊഴുപ്പ്
So
നിറച്ചൊരു
from
കത്തിക്കുന്നത്.
outside that hole, the natural